Hi guys, so today we are going to do Brussels sprouts. Most kids don't like Brussels sprouts. Most adults don't like Brussels sprouts, but I think that's because they don't know how to make them correctly. A lot of the times when they come out mushy. There's too much stuff going on. Um, so I'm going to show you how to make them that I found to be a really good way to adjust. So we'll add a little bit olive oil to a pan. We'll get it heating up. Remember, we want that nice shimmery look so that it really gets a nice sear when it goes down. Now, the thing that's going to make these Brussels sprouts pop is chopped bacon. Any kind of chopped bacon. The salt content in bacon and the flavor in bacon is going to make it very good. If you don't like bacon, I don't know what to tell you. For one, start liking bacon. So we'll add this to the pan. I apologize if you're vegan. That's your own thing. I am not. My wife's been vegetarian. She's very adamant about that. I think she kind of curbs her cravings for things because I am definitely not. But at the same time, it's gone the opposite direction. I've actually got a lot more appreciation for different types of vegetables. So we're going to let that bacon heat up. We're going to let it start to sear. We're going to pull the fat out of it and let that fat really start to develop in the pan. Alright, now that we got our bacon, the fat from our bacon starting to render, let's show you what it looks like. Got all that bacon grease, the bacon's starting to crisp up a little bit. It's not quite completely crisp yet, and this is when you want to add your Brussels sprouts. Now you take your Brussels sprouts, you chop off the black stem part, and then depending on the size of them, you either cut them in half or I quartered them. It's going to help them cook a little bit more evenly. So then I'll place those into the pan. Alright, we're going to crank this heat up a little bit. We're going to let those start to cook. Alright, now our Brussels sprouts are starting to become nice and crisp. We're starting to get a little bit of our markings on them. They're loosening up a little bit. Our bacon's becoming nice and crispy. We're now going to add about 2 tablespoons of garlic. Two teaspoons of garlic. We got our salt and pepper mix, using that Urfa black pepper again. Salt and pepper them. And then to finish them off, we're going to add a little bit of our chicken stock. I would say that's probably about 2 cups. We're going to leave that heat on high. We're going to just cook that liquid out of it. By the time that liquid's done, that's all going to be nice and flavorful and delicious. Alright guys, this is my daughter Lila. She's 6, and to prove to you that she likes the way that I make these Brussels sprouts, I'm going to get one out and I'm going to have her try one, and then she's going to tell you what she thinks of it. Alright. there's the proof. Alright, so guys, this is what it should look like. Liquid's been evaporated out of them. They're now soft, but still got a little bit of their texture still stuck to them. And they're ready to rock and roll. Some people add craisins, some people add raisins, some people add cranberries. You can do all that. This would be the point to do that. You don't want to cook those and get them all like crispy and crunchy. And then once you go to serve them, you could even put shaved Parmesan cheese on top if you want. This is what you want to do. Enjoy. Like and subscribe. Say it. What? Like and subscribe. You don't want to? Like and subscribe.